everyone, John Chow here for johnchow.com, and welcome to another episode of Driving with John Chow. Right now I'm on my way to go pick up some movie tickets. I was given 5 free tickets to go see Ralph Breaks the Internet. This is I guess a sequel to the movie Wreck-It Ralph from a few years back. I saw some of the previews and they look pretty good, so I'm gonna go pick up some tickets, and then Sally and some of her friends, we're gonna go see a nice movie screening. Should be fun. Anyway, I want to answer a reader question. This one posted by Ali, and Ali has a specific question that deals with the Aweber affiliate program. And I love the Aweber affiliate program, one of my favorite affiliate programs, because it is a monthly continuity program. See, unlike the typical affiliate marketing program where, like, say, Amazon, where you sell one product and then you get a commission for it, Aweber, it's a monthly thing. Like you pay $19 a month to host, for Aweber to host your email list. And Aweber will give you, if you refer the customer, Aweber will give you 30% of the customer's bill for life. That's right. So as long as the customer Aweber, first month you get 0, because the first month's a 30-day free trial. It doesn't cost you anything. It doesn't cost them anything. So you will get an email saying, congratulations, you made $0. But next month, the bill goes to $19, and then you will get 30% of that, and that's $5.70. And as long as they stay a customer, you'll get that $5.70 every single month. And as the list gets bigger, the bill gets bigger, and your 30% gets bigger. So this is a good way to produce nice monthly cash flow. And I've been promoting Aweber for, wow, I guess like almost a decade. And in that 10 years, I refer hundreds of customers to Aweber. So every month, I get 30% of these customers. Right? In fact, the biggest customer that I refer to Aweber, his or her list has reached 400,000 names, and the monthly bill is over $3,500, and I get 30% of that, right? So that's like over $1,000 a month. So I'm making $1,000 a month from one customer, and to this very day, I don't know who that person is. No idea. Yeah. So that's the Aweber affiliate program, and it's a fantastic program. And I can see why it's popular. I can see why Ali wants to promote it as well. And so his question is the best way to promote it. And he came in, he's asking, would it be good idea to use a PLR ebook as a way to funnel leads into Aweber? And for those who don't know, a PLR stands for private label rights. Basically, it's an ebook that's already pre-written by someone, and they're selling you the rights to use it. So basically, you can put your name on it, say it's written by you, even though it isn't, but you have the private label to it. And so I guess Ali doesn't want to write the ebook himself, so he's gonna buy one that's pre-made and it's gonna put his name to it, and then use that to funnel traffic to Aweber. Right, so generally that's a good idea. This basically is what I use. I use ebook to do a lot of stuff, to promote a lot of stuff. Generally, I like to write it myself or hire someone to write it, because I find the quality of private label ebooks to be not that great. Really, they're not that great. The grammar, the English, not so much the grammar in English, but they're very, very generic and not very niche specific. So you get what you pay for. So if you can do it yourself, I'd rather do it myself, or pay someone to actually write it for you instead of having a private label. And you never know how many copies are sold. Like there's probably a fair chance that the person downloads your ebook and then downloads the same ebook again from somebody else, and they're wondering, hey, somebody stole somebody, right? So, yeah. However, in the case of Aweber, and specifically in the case of Aweber, you don't have to get a private label ebook. you don't have to write an ebook yourself because Aweber has already done it for you. In fact, Aweber has created an entire email marketing course for the affiliates to promote that funnels them into Aweber. And I'll have the link to this Aweber ebook sales email marketing course below. So go check it out. And basically, so you give out that link to your prospect, they click on it, Aweber offers them an email marketing course, downloadable and course, and basically that funnel, that's your email Aweber funnel that you can use right there. No need to create your own, no need to hire someone to write it for you, and no need to buy a private label right ebook. So Aweber has done it for you, and that's another key point I want to discuss too. Once you join an affiliate program, you're gonna find that the good companies like Aweber, they will have affiliate support team to support their affiliates, and they will have marketing materials for the affiliates to use. And in the case of Aweber, that email marketing course and ebook is available to every single Aweber affiliate to take advantage of, right? So take advantage of it. Once you join the affiliate program, look at the resources the marketer has available for you to use. And also, another tip, get in touch with your affiliate manager. And if the affiliate manager didn't reach out to you, reach out to the affiliate manager, introduce yourself, and ask them if there's any additional stuff, any help that they can give you, such as marketing material or special deals or whatever. Like in my case, Aweber created a customized landing page, a co-branded landing page just for me. If you go to johnchow.com/Aweber, you will see a sample of this customized landing page. It is on Aweber's servers. It has my picture on it, and basically it's Aweber, John Chow's email system, why you should join, and it's co-branded. So they can do that for you as well. All you gotta do is just ask them, form a relationship and ask them. Now, generally they might want to say, well, let's see you do some sales first before we create that, but once you generate a few sales, yeah, they're more than happy to help you out and do everything possible to get you sales, because it's in their best interest to do so. I mean, you make money, they make money, right? So yeah. So anyway, that's kind of a really, really long-winded answer to a very, very specific question. But if you're promoting Aweber affiliate program, Aweber has a lot of tools for their affiliates to take advantage of. So reach out to them and check the links below to see the samples of the tools they have available. And I hope that helps you. I hope that gets you a lot of Aweber customer, because it's a really, really good program. 30% for life. I mean, if I were to lose everything, like cut everything off and just have Aweber alone, I could live on my Aweber income. And the cool thing is, it's all passive, 100% passive income. I mean, how great is that, right? How great is that? 30% every month's bill just comes in. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, you can tell I love the program. I really recommend it. I mean, Aweber does my email list, so I use it myself, so I promote it. And that's the best way to do it, you know? I like to promote stuff that I use. All right. So, John Chow with johnchow.com. Thank you very much for listening to this long-winded answer. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Please like and share my videos. And if you're a brand new viewer, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll be alerted when I get a new video. Thank you very much. See you guys next time.